Welcome to the Memorizing Tarot Cards podcast, your 3-minute lessons on learning and memorizing each card using symbolism. I use the Rider Waite Tarot if you would like to view the card while you listen using your own tarot card deck or computer. Today, we're exploring the Ten of Pentacles, focusing on reversals. First, let's start with the divine meaning of the card, and then the meaning when reversed. The Ten of Pentacles upright is a card of legacy, family, and long-term financial stability. It speaks to building a foundation that benefits you and future generations. The reversed Ten of Pentacles suggests that disruptions may occur in these areas, whether related to family conflicts, challenges around wealth, or a lack of security in future plans. It can also indicate tension around financial matters, inheritance, or long-term planning, where goals and values are not aligned. Next, let's discuss ways to approach this card in a reading. When the Ten of Pentacles reversed appears in a reading, it's often a sign that something is not aligning with your long-term goals or vision. This card encourages you to step back and assess what needs to change. It's time to address these areas before they cause bigger problems. It may also indicate a shift in your values. The traditional ideas of success, such as wealth, status, or family expectations, no longer resonate with you. The reverse Ten of Pentacles asks you to consider whether your current path genuinely aligns with your values or if it's time to redefine your version of success. Remembering tarot cards helps when I can relate one of my personal experiences to the card. For example, my reverse Ten of Pentacles moment was coming to the realization that my values did not align with my current situation any longer. Before I met my husband, I was chasing career goals. My aspirations were to create as much wealth as I could with the skills that I had. I needed to take care of myself as a single person. If I could travel a bit, it would be a bonus. When I met my husband, my thinking changed. I also started having some health issues in my 40s. There are no setbacks yet, thankfully, but I now have health conditions that need management. My past Ten of Pentacles goals did not align with my current health situation or the fact I am now married, so I felt I was in a Ten of Pentacles reversed scenario. I adjusted my goals to ensure that I'm working on retiring and considering my working income in the event of any health changes. My health is stable, but running into chronic conditions brought to light that health problems may disrupt my financial plan and could also impact my husband. I did not want to create a situation where he needed to work harder should I need unplanned time off work, or if anything happened to my income. I decided to build a passive income online with my skills, to build some protection. And thank you to those of you who follow my podcast, as this is a part of my journey to create security. Thank you for joining me in exploring the Ten of Pentacles reversed. This card reminds us that while financial stability and family legacies are important, they must align with our values and personal goals. Of course, to memorize tarot, keep practicing tarot. As you listen to these 3-minute lessons, you will consistently remember the symbolism that applies across different cards in the deck. Thank you for listening. Join us for more 3-minute lessons to memorize more cards.